Namaskar. This is Bhagwan Kulkarni. I'm talking on my this English channel, Absolute Truth. Now, today in Absolute Truth, what we will be covering is a political issue. There are a lot of people today in the market, uh, in the world, who says that what has Modi done. They give different examples that how he has got down our economy, or what he has played with all these things. But friends, you tell me, they don't have an alternative, they don't have an option. Okay, tomorrow if we say, okay, ठीक है, what you say is that if we go against Mr. Modi, or if we don't want Mr. Modi, what is the alternative? I gave them an option that let us have Mr. Rahul Gandhi as a prime minister, Mr. Aditya Thackeray as a home minister, Mr. Tejasvi Yadav as the finance minister, Mr. Akhilesh Yadav as the defense minister, okay, and Jagan Mohan Reddy as a foreign minister, and let us have that kind of an government. What that government we will do, let us see on that what they will do. So, do we have an option? What now we will talk on Mr. Modi. Okay, what Mr. Modi has done and what change we have. They say that the petrol prices have gone up. Okay, fine, petrol prices have gone up. I accept it, and it should be rectified. That is also what I will say. But with that, we got Kashmir, a disputed issue with us. Secondly, we got Ram Mandir Shilanyas is done, and after that, a lot of things will move. And by 24, it is an Asmita of Hindus. So by 2024, we will have our Ram Mandir, or 2025, we will have our Ram Mandir. Thirdly, what we have gained out of Mr. Modi is this thing: demonetization. Demonetization has curtailed a huge amount of black money in the market. Today, all these politicians who yell against Mr. Modi is because they have lost a lot of black money in the time of demonetization. And this demonetization has brought down the real estate prices, have brought down a lot of other things. Okay, now see, getting rectified in this whole process for this 135 crore Indians is not an easy task. Then we have this China and Pakistan always hovering over us for different issues. Pakistan is always there to destabilize our harmony in India by making different bomb sports and all these things. How many bomb sports have taken place since 2014? How many stone pelters have come forward after removing of 370? Okay, see, it is not complete peace, but complete peace will still take some time. But there is peace. Peace is coming there. Okay, peace has come to India. But we will, with all these things, see, today if you see Oasis and other Muslim leaders pounding over Mr. Modi or over BJP government. Why? Because their feathers are now have been started being cut. Okay, that is why they are yelling. Earlier in Congress regime, we saw what was happening. Okay, and how bomb sports used to take place, and how all these people used to who used to escape with all whatever deeds they did, they used to escape. Today they are shot dead, today they are caught, today they are nailed. And what are we means what is their contribution? All those people who are yelling, what is their contribution? Okay, fine. What is Tejasvi Yadav's father's contribution to Bihar? What is Mulayam Singh or Akhilesh Yadav's contribution to UP? What is Kejriwal's contribution to Delhi? He has done something very good, that also I understand. But why Marcus has come out? Marcus has come out because of Mr. Kejriwal. Third thing, what is Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi's contribution to the nation? What is the Abdullah's contribution or Mehbooba Mufti's contribution to Kashmir? Okay, So all this, see, now latest example is your Rajasthan. What is Congress contribution to Rajasthan? Rajasthan was in full of COVID, and with that COVID, Sachin Pilot went to Gurugram, and this MLAs of Mr. Gehlot were in a five-star hotel and all these things, and people were dying due to COVID. Did any congressman try to stop this? They don't have any sense of responsibility towards the Rajasthan people. What are they doing? They were enjoying in a five-star hotel, both in in Haryana and in Rajasthan, both places. And what were their leaders? Congress is without a leadership today. What are they doing to the what positive things they are doing to the nation? So we need to understand this also. While today we have a person who has earned a name for India, who has carved a niche for India all over the world. Today America is with us, Russia is with us. Even the treaty, the person behind the treaty of Israel and UAE is also Mr. Modi. That I will take up that issue I will take up later in some other video. But all those who blame Mr. Modi or the BJP government or the Sangha for creating a havoc in India, then what was the position before that? What was the position before that? There was no havoc. How many bomb sports we had in Mumbai, in Delhi, in Ahmedabad, in Surat, in other parts of the nation, in Hyderabad, all these places, how much problems we had. I was in Gujarat. I know what kind of riots used to take place. Okay, and listen, all these people who are yelling, they support the Muslims. And today, if any person who has a problem, or if there is any patriotic problem, it is only with the Muslim religion. We don't have means, though we have certain issues with the Christians, but Christians, we hardly find any Christians who are, except we hardly find any Christians who are traitors. Okay, rest all these religions, they have no problem. Parsis have come here and set up. Tatas are the biggest. Tata is the biggest example. Shapurji Palamji is the biggest example. Mr. Poonawalla is the biggest example. So all these people are patriots. They have come here, they have stayed here, they have lived here, they have done everything. Only this Muslim religion, they have problems with us. And not all Muslims. See, Pakistan never had any Christian or Hindu or a Sikh as their president or prime minister. We had three Muslim presidents. We had I don't count six as others. Six is part of us only. We had three Muslim presidents. We have lot many governors as Muslim presidents. The opposition leader Sonia Gandhi is a Christian. Is the opposition leader of this Pakistan or Bangladesh any Christian? So don't just go on this. Let us try to analyze this and support the government. We will definitely come up. Thank you. Today only this much.